Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. Today we are going to learn how to add IDM extension to Google Chrome. So it's very easy. Within a very few simple steps, you can easily add IDM extension to Google Chrome. Please be with me. First of all, in order to add IDM extension to Google Chrome, we need to download IDM. So we just simply click IDM download and we'll go to the official page, which is like uh, this one, the first link that is shown in the Google. So this is the official website of IDM. So we'll download IDM from here. It's very easy. You just click on download and it will automatically start download. As I have already have IDM in my laptop, I am not going to download it again. I'm just going to show you how to add the IDM extension to Google Chrome. So if I go to extension, manage extension, then you will see that I don't have any IDM in my laptop integrated. So I will now edit. I'll go to IDM extension not showing in Chrome. You will write down this IDM extension not showing in Chrome. Click on that this and go to the first link. See what is written here. Please note that all IDM extensions that can be found in Google Store are fake and should not be used. So this is the official website of IDM, and they are saying that we shouldn't use any IDM extension from Google Store because it's fake. So they have given us an IDM extension, which is this. This IDM extension is not installed automatically. Then install IDM integration module from web store. They are giving the original extension. So first of all, we have to know that when you are downloading IDM, it will automatically be integrated with Google Chrome. And if not, then go to this page, click on here, and it will take you to Google Store, and it's the official. See, we can see here so many users and so many ratings. So we'll click on IDM Chrome, add extension. Depending on your internet connection, it will take time. See, IDM extension is integrated. If I go to extension, see, our IDM integration module is now installed or added in Google Chrome. So with the very simple steps, you can easily install, add IDM extension to Google Chrome. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family who need this kind of video. And if you like the video, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do leave a comment about what kind of videos do you need from us. Thank you. See you again.